Hi friends, welcome to Toppers Institute Daily Current Affairs. This is Bhikshapati. So let us discuss about some of the important current affairs which came newspapers on June 27, 2020. The first point is here very expected point in our competitive exam, that is the first of its kind. So in India, that National Yoga University is there in Haridwar of Uttarakhand. So outside of the India, our world's first yoga university outside of India recently launched at Los Angeles of America. That is the Vivekananda Yoga University. That is recognized as a world's first yoga university outside India. That is the Vivekananda Yoga University, recently started by the government of India. So that is at Los Angeles of America. Los Angeles, one of the very famous places in America, that is located in the California state of the America. So every year that Los Angeles, we have, that means that Oscar Awards. So Oscar Awards presented in Los Angeles of America. So the highest cinema awards in the world, that Oscar Awards, that is presented every year in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is famous for the Hollywood industry. So in that Los Angeles, the first of its kind, Vivekananda Yoga University started, world's first university outside the India. So about yoga, friend. So yoga, the father of the yoga, that is Patanjali, belongs to our India. So Patanjali wrote a yogasanas, consist of some yogasanas. The name of the book is Mahabhashyam. So Mahabhashyam. So we called Patanjali as the father of the yoga. And every year from the 2015 onwards, every year we celebrate June 21 as the International Yoga Day. So recently on June 21, 2020, we celebrated the 6th edition of the International Yoga Day. 6th edition of the International Yoga Day. So this is about the some of the information about the yoga. And then one of the international affair is there, Switzerland National Bank. So every year Switzerland National Bank that released one report consists of the countries which deposited more in the Switzerland Bank. So that the name of the report we called as the Annual Banking Statistics 2019. Annual Banking Statistics 2019, given that report is given by the Switzerland National Bank. So according to the report, the money deposited, the top 3 countries occupied in the money deposited in the Switzerland National Bank is, the first country is the first rank possessed by the United Kingdom, second rank that is by America, USA, and the third rank is West Indies. The top 3 countries in money deposited in Switzerland National Bank is, that is the United Kingdom, America, West Indies. So then what about our India rank? Our India occupied 77th place in money depositing in the Switzerland National Bank. So this is about the Annual Banking Statistics 2019 report given by the Switzerland National Bank. And the next point, so NASA, that is the American Space Agency, we called as NASA. The abbreviation of the NASA is National Aeronautics Space Administration. The headquarters of the NASA located in Washington DC. So NASA established in 1958. The headquarters located in Washington DC. Washington DC is the capital of the America. So recently that racism incidents are occurred is in the news in America due to the effect of that racism. Recently, so NASA headquarters renamed in Washington as Mary W. Jackson. The name of the headquarters is here called, the building name is called the NASA headquarters located in Washington. The building name that NASA headquarters are there, the name of the building is renamed Mary W. Jackson. So Mary W. Jackson, the first woman or female engineer who worked in NASA, and Mary W. Jackson also recognized the first African American woman. The first African American woman, otherwise we called the black woman. The first African American woman who worked as a engineer in NASA. That is the reason here renamed, that is Mary W. Jackson. This is one of the most expected bit in our examination. Recently NASA renamed its headquarters name as, that is the Mary W. Jackson. Who is Mary W. Jackson? The first female engineer who worked in the NASA and the first African American woman who worked in the NASA also, that is by the Mary W. Jackson. Okay, about NASA, already we discussed. NASA started, established in 1958. What the abbreviation of the NASA is National Aeronautics Space Administration, and the present the head of the NASA we called as the administrator, whereas in our India, that ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, head we called as chairman. Dr. K. Shivani is the chairman of the ISRO. Here we call head of the space agency of our India, we call chairman. Whereas in America, the head of the space agency of the America we called, that is administrator. So the present NASA administrator, his name is Jim Bridenstine. Jim Bridenstine is the administrator of the NASA. And the next point is here IRDA. So IRDA, that is the Incident Regulatory and Control Body in India, IRDA. The abbreviation of the IRDA is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. So IRDA forms a 9-member committee headed by the, that is the Anjan Day. So Anjan Day, headed by the Anjan Day. So on what issue this, issue that Anjan Day committee studied, that is to suggest the insurance products covering various risks involved in the remote piloted aircraft system, that is called drones. So drones, using the drones, sometimes what happens, some accidents occur. So that people we require the insurance because of the nowadays, because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So various organizations, particularly the civil aviation, particularly the army, that also so many organizations also developed the drone system to supply the medicines to the victims. So in the crowded places sometimes may occur, we may expect some accidents also. We expect some incident also. So we have to cover those incidents under the insurance. So one committee is appointed by the IRDA. The name of the committee is here called Anjan Day. So the Anjan Day committee studied the remotely piloted aircraft system drones insurance, otherwise called drones insurance, to suggest insurance products covering various risks involved in the use of the remotely piloted aircraft system, RAPS or drone system. So about IRDA, the headquarters of the IRDA located in Hyderabad, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. The present chairman of the IRDA is Subhash Chandra Kuntia. So S.C. Kuntia is the present chairman of the IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. And next point is here, NGT, National Green Tribunal, appointed a committee. So recently one blowout, one incident, one accident occurred in Assam's one oil well, that is the called Bogjan oil well of the Oil Indian Limited Company. So that is the Bogjan oil well incident, blowout of the Bogjan oil well incident is that NGT. What is NGT? National Green Tribunal appointed a committee, that is the Justice B.P. Katake. Justice B.P. Katake committee, that is the Assam's Bogjan oil well incident. This committee is appointed by the NGT. What is NGT, friends? National Green Tribunal. National Green Tribunal. The present chairman of the National Green Tribunal is Justice Adarsh Kumar Goel. Justice Adarsh Kumar Goel. So NGT started in 2010. And next point is here PM CARES. So PM CARES, the abbreviation of the PM CARES is Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Recently, so COVID-19 pandemic, to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic, so many citizens, so many industrialists, so many actors also, so many persons, so many that humanitarians donated so much of the fund to the PM CARES. PM CARES. So the recently PM CARES very first time allocated 1,000 crore rupees to the migrant workers. So this point very important. Very first time PM CARES is allocated 1,000 crore assistance to the whom, that is the migrant workers. So that type of the bit important. So the abbreviation also very important, friends. PM CARES, it is the Prime Minister Citizens Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund in India. So it is about the PM CARES. And the next one sports bit point is there. So FIFA. What is FIFA? Federation of International Football Association. So announced So FIFA Women's Cup in 2023 will be conducted in Australia, New Zealand. Okay, Australia, New Zealand jointly host to the 2023 FIFA Women's Cup. So that type of bit important. And FIFA, the headquarters of the FIFA located in Zurich. The present president of the FIFA is Gianni Infantino. So Gianni Infantino. These are the some of the important points which came newspapers on June 27, 2020. So thank you very much, friends. We will meet again tomorrow.